pretty good little fan in there. Oh, wow. Oh, that's fantastic. They are completely cured. That is amazing. Oh, I'm thoroughly impressed. Probably one of the best purchases that I've made since the 3D printer. A little bit of cleanup here, but I mean, these are only going to be used as a paper towel holder. You know, put my paper towels on it, so I have something to reach while I'm using my 3D printer. So, all right. Well, that is it for the wash and cure station from ELEGOO Mars, or I'm sorry, from the Mercury Plus. And I gotta say, I'm impressed. So, all right, go ahead and turn the power off. Switch on the back. I wish they would put the switch on the front or the side. But I mean, that's just me. So, all right. Other than that, love the machine. So if you haven't got one yet, I highly recommend going out and grabbing one. Have a good one. Until next time. Bye.